look worried. What's wrong?
I'm thinking about our monthly expenses. Honey, can we talk for a minute?
Of course. What's on your mind?
I've been thinking about our expenses.
Me too. Everything is getting expensive.
I think we need a better plan.
I agree. Let's make a monthly budget.
That's a good start.
We spend too much on unnecessary things.
You're right. We should cut back.
Saving money is important.
Do you think we're spending wisely?
Not always, but we can improve.
Let's write down all our expenses.
Good idea. It'll help us see where our money goes.
We should cook at home more often.
Yes, eating out costs too much.
I also want to save for emergencies.
Every family needs an emergency fund.
I'll try to work extra hours.
Don't overwork yourself.
I just want to support our family.
I know and I appreciate it.
Maybe you could work from home.
I've been thinking about that too.
What kind of work would you like?
Maybe teaching English online?
That sounds perfect.
I'll start learning new skills.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you for believing in me.
We should also avoid unnecessary shopping.
Agreed, we'll buy only what we need.
Let's compare prices before buying anything.
That's a smart habit.
Small savings add up over time.
Exactly. Every little bit helps.
I don't want money to cause stress between us.
It won't because we communicate.
I'm glad we talk openly.
Me too. Honesty is important.
Do you ever feel worried?
Sometimes, but I stay hopeful.
I admire your positive attitude.
Thank you. We have each other.
That's what matters most.
Love is more valuable than money.
Absolutely.
We'll keep moving forward together.
Let's set some financial goals.
First, let's save for 6 months.
Then we can plan a vacation.
That would be wonderful.
We deserve a break someday.
Yes, after working hard.
I'll stay focused.
And I'll support you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel better after talking.
Communication solves many problems.
You're absolutely right.
Never lose hope.
I won't.
We'll build a better future together.
Step by step.
Day by day.
We'll never give up.
Never.
Thank you for standing by me.
Always.
I love you.
I love you too.
Let's make tomorrow better than today.
We definitely will.
Together, we can achieve anything.
I believe that with all my heart.
Let's start our new budget tonight.
I'll bring a notebook and a pen.
Great. Let's begin.
Our future starts today.
One smart decision at a time.
One day at a time.
Thank you for being my partner.
Thank you for never giving up.
We'll make our dreams come true.
Together. Always.
That's a promise.
A promise forever.